Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, and what's currently going on with Bitcoin is we're still attempting to pump through the 618 Fibonacci level, and that's with Bitcoin at a price of around $20,500. Now, we are using this Fibonacci retracement from that 52-week low price of Bitcoin when Bitcoin's price was under $18,000. And it quickly went up within our wave one at a price of around $25,000. And then we saw some retracement. So we're currently working on correcting from that. And I'm saying that right now within this wave three that we could be in, this wave three has an A, B, C correction. And right now we're within that C wave that's working on. And that's what's going to be pumping through that 618 Fibonacci level. And hopefully when it does succeed, it pumps through that and it takes us right through that 50% Fibonacci line. That's with Bitcoin at a price above $21,400. So we have a lot of retracement to really do. And this is all if this is how it's going to play out, because still there is a possibility that we could not be within a wave three, and actually there might be just a little bit of upside. And of course, Bitcoin could fall down lower than where it was within its 52-week low at that price under $18,000. But I'm very optimistic and bullish on Bitcoin, and I'm going to hope that that's not the case. And we're all starting a wave three right now within a 5-wave impulse to the upside. Now, there are multiple wave series that we do have here. We do have other impulses within our larger wave series, or we can just call it, A, B, C, D, E type play, where we did have that within our first wave. We had 5 waves up. And then here in the second wave, there could be a possibility that we do have a 5-wave play within it, where we could have an A, B, C, D, and then come down in an E. That would be a possible play that could happen. But let's just set that to the side right now and hope that this scenario here is the one that's going to happen. And this is where Bitcoin's third wave could go into a price that is around or above $30,000 is what I'm hoping for. A lot of retracement from what we had seen on those previous dates with Bitcoin, where Bitcoin's price was continuously dropping. Of course, there was a lot of manipulation that was causing all this, and this is what I'd like to see start to be retraced within a wave three. So there are some other things that is also interfering with our 618 Fibonacci level that we're trying to get through at that $20,400 price, and that's also our moving averages, which we have our 50-day moving average that's also right at that Fibonacci level. So there might be a little bit of an extra pump through this level, is why I'm thinking that it would be possibly easy to get to that 50% Fibonacci level as we break through it. But this 100-day moving average is also still coming down. So that's going to be another area of resistance that we're going to see as we break through that 50% Fibonacci level. That's going to be right there at our next, around our price of our next Fibonacci level that we need to get through. But these are all big things that Bitcoin could break through and create even more price movements as it does pass these Fibonacci levels. So that's one thing that's definitely worth paying attention to right now. And also another thing that we really, really need to watch is this bull market support band, which I've been talking about a lot lately. This is also coming down, and this is one of those big bullish indicators that that if we're able to get on the other side of this, then we're going to see a lot more price movements with Bitcoin, more than likely. So let's take this on over to the 4-hour chart and just kind of see, actually the 1-hour chart, and maybe this will give us some more details about how we're lining up with this right now. So we don't really have a whole lot to really pump to get to the next phase of this bull market support band, because the way it's lining up right now, it's at a price at around $22,000 that it's going to need to get to actually get within this. And that's not really that large of a price move for Bitcoin, even though we haven't really been seeing the price move that much lately. But I mean, if we look at Bitcoin back in 2021, seeing Bitcoin fluctuate thousands of dollars within a day, that was something that to just be expected of. But now there's a lot less volatility with Bitcoin, a lot less in stocks now. even, and we're not seeing that type of fluctuation so much on a daily basis with Bitcoin. So, but I still think that seeing the trajectory that we are on, there's still that possibility that we're going to be right up within that, seeing that for so many days now, we've just been slowly trending to the upside. So the main things with Bitcoin right now is that $20,400 price of us pumping through it. If we're not able to, the price of Bitcoin could fall down to around $19,000. And if it's not able to hold support around that price and then it falls through, then that means that this wave 2 is possibly not complete yet. And we still got a ways to go before that wave 3 is actually in. And also, we can also look at it as a more bearish possibility that we could fall below our wave 2 and even below our 52-week low. So we don't want to think about that too much, though. Let's focus on the possibility of Bitcoin going through that $20,400 price and continuing within this wave C that we are within a possible wave 3 impulse to the upside to go to that price of $30,000. So every single day, I'm going to try to update Bitcoin as much as possible, throw it in with all the other cryptocurrencies that I talk about daily. So Bitcoin should be one that I do a large majority of updates on, and of course Ethereum, and then all the other altcoins. I will talk about some of them every other day, and then some of those every week or so. So do keep that in mind. If you like crypto related content, you like to hear about a lot of different cryptocurrencies, please do consider subscribing, because I'm going to consistently talk about them every single day, some sort of topic, some sort of analysis and price prediction on crypto, what it's doing at that moment. So please do consider subscribing. I will see you all in the next cryptocurrency video coming here very soon. See you in the next one.